In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete resume in LinkedIn. If you've uploaded a resume to LinkedIn and you no longer want it saved there, the good news is that the process is pretty quick once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact path inside LinkedIn so you can remove a stored resume from your account settings. To begin, go to your LinkedIn profile dashboard and make sure you're signed into the correct account. Starting from your main LinkedIn home or profile area makes it easier to find the account menu without having to search around. Once you're on LinkedIn, look toward the top of the page and click on the Me dropdown. This is the account menu where LinkedIn keeps profile, settings, and account-related options. If you're using a desktop browser, this is usually located along the top navigation bar. After opening that menu, click on Settings and Privacy. This will take you to the main settings area for your LinkedIn account, where you can manage everything from sign-in preferences to privacy and data controls. When the Settings and Privacy page opens, go to the left-hand column and click on the Data Privacy tab. This section is where LinkedIn stores options related to your personal data, activity, and information connected to job applications. Next, find and click on Resumes and Job Applications Data. This is the section that contains resumes you've uploaded for Easy Apply or other job application features on LinkedIn. If you've uploaded more than one version of your resume in the past, you may see a list here. Now locate the resume you want to remove and click on the 3 horizontal dots next to it. This opens a small action menu with options related to that specific file. Take a second here to make sure you've selected the correct resume before moving forward, especially if the file names are similar. Then click on Delete. As soon as you do that, LinkedIn will remove that saved resume from your stored application documents. This is helpful if the file is outdated, has old job information, or you simply want to keep your account organized. And that's it. That's how to delete a resume in LinkedIn. If you manage multiple resumes for different roles, it's a good idea to review this section occasionally, so only your most current documents remain saved in your account.